I came to Australia from Sri Lanka when I was a child, and investing wasn't a topic of conversation growing up. When I started my career, I had relatively modest goals to just cover my rent and living expenses.
For me, investing was a topic of conversation growing up. I dove right into investing. I read books about picking shares and learned about the different approaches of great investors.
Fast forward to today, and our portfolios are aligned with our goals, and our strategies are based on our personalities and temperament.
Investing isn't about maximizing wealth. It's about making your life better. And that is what Invest Your Way is all about, helping you create a plan and strategy that is right for you.
And to reflect the simple truth that the biggest thing holding investors back is themselves.
In our jobs running the personal finance team at Morningstar, we talk to a lot of investors. They tell us they're tired of aspirational messages that lack the practical steps to put a plan into action.
Too much financial commentary focuses on investments rather than on the people investing. Investors are looking for a new perspective. They want the focus to be on the only thing that truly matters, creating a better life for themselves.
We've designed Invest Your Way to meet you wherever you are on your journey to financial independence. We want to remind you of things you may have lost sight of, teach you new things, and inspire you to get to know yourself a little bit better.
More than anything, we want you to gain confidence that you're on the right path. This book is one part theory and one part practical exercises to help you create a plan to achieve financial independence.
This is your blueprint to take the next step with your finances and get everything you want out of life.